Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll to find this apps section. So let's tap on it. It should be right above the battery. Now we have to tap on manage apps, so the second option, and now three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on other settings, and here on the third position we've got our reset app preferences option. So let's tap. Here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.